Hey sweet friends, come along with us for a Saturday vlog. First stop is Burger Rob's. This is our favorite burger spot in downtown Titusville. My guy waiting patiently for his quad burger. Yes, 4 patties. 4. And he will eat every bit of it. These are the Buffalo Ranch fries. So good. Now that we're back home, I'm going to process all of our fresh vegetables. I like to use vinegar to clean mine, and I feel like it makes it last longer. Once I get them soaked and rinsed off, I lay them out to dry. I also like to get started on prepping for dinner. We're going to make our version of Crunch Wraps. We try and prep as many things as we possibly can because during the week, we don't want to be bothered, basically. We like to pre-prep our garlic. So what we do is we chop up all the garlic that we bought and we put it in this little container with some extra virgin olive oil.
In the fridge. All right, time for satisfaction. Nice and cooled down, so now I can get my hands on it and get all that garlicky goodness out of those little jackets. Okay.
We're going to have some stuffed jalapenos for our appetizer tonight. This is my husband's specialty. It's chopped up bacon and sausage and this cream cheese. And we're going to stuff the peppers. We did put honey down first. Then we're going to stuff the peppers, add a little bit more honey, and then some cheese on top. And we're going to bake it at 350 for about 15 minutes. My sweet friends, this is such a good appetizer. It is delicious, it is bursting with flavor, and it is easy. For our beef mixture, we're going to use beef, chorizo, and ground turkey. So we're going in with the EVOO and a little pat of butter to get that going. We're going to saute up these onions, then we're going to add some wine, and then after that goes our chorizo, beef, and turkey, and we're going to simmer that with a ton of seasonings. A ton of seasonings. Here, my guy is going to add cumin, white pepper, ancho chili mix, ancho chili powder, paprika, smoked paprika, onion powder. He's going to add garlic. I'm telling you, a ton of seasoning. Celery salt, parsley, turmeric, Italian seasoning. He adds a bunch of seasoning. That's why his meat mix is so good. I really wish y'all could smell this. It turned out so delicious.
Oh my god, if y'all could smell this. Oh my god, it smells so good.
Paprika. Smoked paprika. Chipotle chili pepper. It's taco meat, cumin.
Minced onion?
We're making a very big batch of this, so what we're going to do is we're going to put it in some containers and freeze it. This way next month, if we want to do the same thing, we have a container, pull it out, thaw it out, heat it up, and make a crunch wrap.
A jar of salsa.
Okay, we got all the seasonings and the salsa in there. We're gonna let this simmer for a little bit. Okay, the meat mix is ready to go. So he has a flour tortilla here. He's gonna put some cheese down, and then he's gonna put a tostada on top of that, and then the meat mixture. Going in with the meat mixture now, and he's putting some olives on top. You could serve this with salsa on the side, sour cream, pickled jalapenos. I'm pretty simple. The crunch wrap alone was just good enough for me. Y'all, please forgive my hair and no makeup. I had had a long day. I'd just taken a shower and I just wanted to eat. Wait for what Mr. Lucas says to me. It's hilarious.
Good.
It's really good.
All that work
Oh my god. So it's so good.
to replicate a $5 Taco Bell
I know.
thing. I guarantee yours is better and healthier.
It's really good. It's really good.
I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for spending the Saturday with us, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.